What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we're going to East Coast Park with my little baby, Sushi. Sushi! How are you? Okay, she's at the back, just chilling in my bag. But yeah, we're going.
Sushi's going for a trip. Sushi!
Hey, still running.
You're making her dizzy.
Currently looking for bikes on any wheel. Alright. Okay, there's one over the other side. Let's go. Hello, hello. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. Alright, Sushi. Are we good to go? Let's go. So I just started this bike ride 5 minutes ago and I'm already tired. Sushi, why are you so heavy? Sushi. Whee! Just right through an industry area. It was nicer. It's nice to see because you don't see those, area that often. But yeah, 20 more minutes to reach to East Coast Park. Let's go. Sushi. Okay, come. Wow. Oh my god. First time walking Sushi. Where are you going, Sushi? Sushi, you wanna go inside? Okay, go. Smelling at you?
She's not friendly to cats.
No, but he's friendly.
Sushi, you wanna fight? You wanna fight? Sushi.
Right.
How was your walk? No. Nice. Let's go. Oh, okay. Go. Oh, go. Where you wanna go? Where you wanna go? Look who's here. Huh? The noisy one. He's really the guy. This is the cat meetup at East Coast Park. There's quite a ton of cute cats here. I don't know if I can shoot every cat, but there's one cute one right in front. Hi. Oh, your breath very strong.
The ones on the
Yeah.
tree.
Yeah. That was a short vlog, guys. That's it for the vlog. I got lost a few times, so yeah, I just couldn't, you know, take some of the shots that I want to take. And yeah, it was hard to get some vlogs out, to vlog actually with Sushi with me. So yeah, and it was so tiring. I got lost twice, and Google Map didn't help as well as usual. So yeah, super tired. I think we cycle around 12-13 km. Whew. Nice ride to the East Coast Park, but yeah, a tiring ride. Anyway, that's just a short vlog on my off day with Sushi. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.